Hello everyone. This is Carlos. How are you? Right now I'm walking down, okay, in front of my home. But today I'm gonna introduce you my oldest brother. You have already met my youngest brother, but today you're going to meet my oldest brother. Hello. Say hi.
Hi,
What is your name?
I'm Nicolas
Okay.
Lopez.
Do you see? Do you think we resemble? Well, he's the oldest. I'm younger than him. But you know, there's another peculiar, aspect of feature that he got more hair than I. Okay, and the hair, of him is how can I say, blacker? No, it's more black, But I don't know because I'm younger than him. I don't know what's wrong in this case. But he's a very nice brother. He was helping me out when I was rebuilding my room. But he's more like not a coworker, but like a supervisor. He likes to command,
I'm retired.
He's retired. Okay, so that's the excuse for him not to help me out. Oh my
I worked
God.
30 years.
Tell me?
I worked 30 years.
Okay, he's telling me that he worked for 30 years, okay? So he's very old.
No, 58 only. 58.
How old?
58 only.
58 years only. Nearly 60 years old. Oh my God. Six decades. Oh my God. Okay. So you can talk us about the last hurricanes in Puerto Rico before Maria?
A year ago?
Yes.
A year ago.
A year ago. But you said that you are 58 years old. So you can talk about many hurricanes.
Hugo.
Hugo. There
Hugo
was.
in the 1989.
Okay.
George in 1988.
Okay.
But Maria was the worst.
Okay. Do you have children?
Yeah, I have two daughters.
Two daughters.
And 7 granddaughters.
And seven granddaughters.
Yes, when my stepdaughter.
Okay, because he got stepdaughters as well. Okay. He's second married. No, he has a second marriage. Okay. But now we have to stop talking because here, okay, let me show you. This is my sister's house. So
One of your sisters?
well, one of my four sisters. He's right. Okay. So now she doesn't know we are here. We got by surprise. So Nikki, say goodbye.
Bye.
Ciao.